So this morning, we created our little eye chart up here. And eye charts, just to remind you, I stands for independent. And that means being able to do things all on your own. So we made this eye chart to help you become independent so that you can do all of this on your own. And we added 2 things to our eye chart. For you, the students here, these are your jobs. To find and stay in your bubble spot and read the whole time. Now we were close to our goal of 10 minutes, but we were not quite there. We made it to about 9 minutes, and then we had somebody start talking to their friends, and we had to come back on the carpet and talk about it. I know that you guys can do it. I know we can do it because yesterday you guys were able to do it. So we're going to still work on finding and staying in your bubble spot and reading the whole time. Those are our 2 jobs that we're going to work on today. But during that time, I want to remind you that yesterday we created this chart, and Miss Benson rewrote it so you're able to see it a little bit better. John, I need you to scoot up on the carpet, please. So I'm going to remind you of, these are the things that you're going to do during Read to Self. Once you found your bubble spot and you're staying there, you're going to read the whole time. And when you're reading, these are the different ways that you can read. Our first way that we can read is, I can read the pictures. When you're reading out in your bubble spot, you could read just the pictures. You could also read the words, which I have an arrow here pointing to the words. And the last one that we added yesterday was, I can retell the story. And we learned yesterday that good readers go back and they think about the story and they retell it to make sure that they understood what they read. So these are the 3 things that you could do during your Read to Self time. So right now I'm going to send you guys out and we're going to practice Read to Self again, remembering to finding and staying in your bubble spot. That's one of your jobs. Another job is reading the whole time. John, I'm not sure you're listening because your eyes are not up here. I need strong sitting. Show me. Scoot up. Thank you. Now I know you're listening. So one of your jobs is to find and stay in your bubble spot. The next is to read the whole time. And during your reading time, these are the different ways that you can read. I can read the pictures, I can read the words, or I can retell the story. And you might do one or more of those things during this time. I'm going to set this timer again for 10 minutes, and we're going to see if we can do it without talking to our friends. Okay? Let's have table 1 and 2. Go get your browsing boxes, and everyone else is going to watch to see if these guys can find a bubble spot quickly and quietly. Wow, Gavin knows exactly what to do. Looks like he knows where he's going, too. So does Nathan. Alright, is everyone watching? Alright, let's have tables 3 and 4. Go grab your browsing box and find a bubble spot. Jordan, are you watching your friends? Oh, and I like how people are checking. I need to put your browsing box on the other side and scoot all the way over the edge. Yep, and then scoot all the way over. Perfect. And my last group is going to go get their browsing box. People are finding good bubble spots.
Hurry, Aaron. Find one quick. Oh, good idea to move, Nate.